What's up, guys? It's Nico Toys here again with another video. In this video, I will be showing you my phone. It's pretty cool. Watch. Let's click the power button. Like that. Boom, it popped up. I got my apps. It's not what you can do. There's a headphone and then charging. I will show you. I have headphones here that it actually plugs in to it. Watch. Let me seal it. There we go. It's plugged in. You lift it up. The cord goes with it. It's pretty cool. I haven't downloaded any games yet. We have Play Store, settings, and then YouTube. And then we have the home button, back button. Wait, no. We have the thing where you go all this. And then you have back button, home button, and then just check all your screens. So what I'm gonna do right now is turn it back off. So, like that. So it's off. Thanks for watching and peace.